time I tell God I'm not included in the practice of exorcism, and I'm not really scary, but to give you
I
some.
just expected that.
So I'm going to give you some tips to how to avoid this kind of things because in reality I witnessed being an exorcist. So we will go to the history of exorcism. So exorcism came from the Greek word exorcismo. So it means to adjure or binding by oath. So this is a religious practice which depicts bad spirits or other spirit entities that
Stop,
that
stop. What video taking? Okay, go.
that possess from a person or a place, which believe that the person
Chill.
is being possessed. So this is an ancient practice in the past,
Closer.
and it's included in our culture and religion. So
How much
there are
closer do I
four
have to be?
religions. So first, the Abrahamic religion is the Christianity. So in Christianity, exorcism,
May
uh,
nakaharap po.
the practice of this is that they use the name of Jesus Christ to perform exorcism. And they only want to do exorcism in Christianity is a priest or someone who is gifted. So basically, to perform exorcism, there must be some things that they need to, that procedure that they need to pass first. The priest must be sure that the patient is really possessed and not only sick, because some sickness of the same symptoms of being possessed, like having hallucinations and active dreams. So the priest should be sure before doing the exorcism. So basically, they do exorcism inside of churches, and they use some symbols, icons, amulets, and the Holy Bible. So the next is the Islam exorcism. So in Islam exorcism, they call the exorcism as ruqya. So which means that ruqya means that the it is to repair something that someone cast a witchcraft or a black magic on you. So basically in the Philippines we call this as
So, do I
ulam.
have to video
So
everyone?
in this, ulam usually occurs when someone is being envy or hating, or someone wants to have revenge because you did something bad to them. So in Islam, they read the Quran and recite some verses and invokes God's name to help to repair the witchcraft that's doing to you. So there's also a prayer called An. It's called a daily prayer, and it's repelling the non-angelic spirits, or they call in Islam as jinn. So the next is exorcism. So that is a rabbi. They perform exorcism. The rabbi must master the art of Kabbalah. So this is Kabbalah. Kabbalah is like telling you that the world is nothing without the light. So to perform exorcism in Judaism, the Kabbalah minions, 10 old adults, that they will be circled up and to circle the possessed person, and they will read the Psalm 91. They will recite that 3 times, and then the rabbi will blow the horn, which is the shofar, with different tunes and notes, so the spirit will shudder. So, and the rabbi will ask why the spirit is possessing that person until it will go away. So in Hinduism exorcism, it's based, they said that the exorcism is connected to the holy Vedas. So a Dharma Veda is the book of which has the secret of alchemy and magic, and Bhagavad Gita is the book that tells that
Reporting.
what kinds of things
Reporting.
to make a person go
Report.
drunk. So for example, the usual
Sabi niya
black
report.
magic and manifestation.
Ayun.
So first, the Ouija board. So guys, don't I think for me, don't play this
Yeah,
kind
there,
of
that's
game, because you don't know what spirit are you talking to and what that spirit can do to you. So basically, if you play this kind of game, so you're opening yourself to any spirit. So next, black magic and white magic. So many people sometimes want to have magic, and sometimes white magic. People say that white magic is good, but basically all kinds of magic that have with God, they say that it's a devil's work. So never and also depression. If you're depressed, you're the easy person that a spirit can overcome you because you are weak and you're not concentrated anymore. So sign of possessions. Hearing voices directly to the person and ask,
Very
you may not have
actually.
the full picture. He or she will frequently see or sense
This is
indication
gonna
of
watch this.
unseen spirit as it existed in its physical life. He or she may speak in
Are you
tongues
waiting
and
for an
perform
answer?
certain acts and avoid to lose audience time after instructions. So in lyrics, you speak unknown language that people don't know, like Latin, etc. Meaning you observe, talking or walking
Refusal
to
to
read their
answer
actions in a
questions.
strange fashion. So here's an example of a person that is being possessed. So this analyst here, now the story of Emily Rose was
Do you
taken
have
from
proof?
his true story. She was a German Catholic, and when she's 17 years old, she experienced a convulsion, and she's and her parents conducted to a doctor and said that it was already epilepsy sickness. But and but when she had pumping in her friend, and they would go to a church, she was like she can't go to the church because she was irritated by the sound of her breathing. So she died. She died of being aroused because the demon is like possessing her. Was it possessing her? So how to avoid possession? So first, always be happy. You must always speak in good vibes and take all the bad vibes away so that bad spirits can conquer you. Maintain harmony and balance in your mind, body, and spirit. So always maintain
Fuck, I
your
don't wanna
balance in
swim
mind,
anymore.
body, and spirit. Because
Kadiri ang puta.
if you're focused in life and you are good in maintaining these
No.
three things, you are safe in bad spirits. To avoid negativity. So don't go to the places like cemetery, hospitals, because that's a negative place. And don't go with negative people because sometimes negative energy can be absorbed by you. So freely. So
Wait
basically
lang.
freely.
8 minutes lang, no?
Remember you are free will.
So 8 minutes
You are
lang.
the master of your own life and destiny. Do not allow another entity to
Ayun.
conquer or overpower your will. And remember, even God respects our will and will not let anything to go against it.
Okay, so right now, any comments?
May aguan.
First from Seth.
Sila naman yung mag-lead.
Kinakabahan siya, oh. So sad.
But the voice projection was nice. I like the way that he was not being precise. There were
He was.
there were times, but most of the time he was not.
Really?
The slides were good.
Like sa, first feeling like it.
And you also like to talk about
Para sa ito.
For that, I give him an 8.5.
Okay. What do you have to say, Antoinette? Okay.
Toweling gag.
That
Toweling.
happened, right? Okay. Nobody told you about stage. That's the one. Does that agree?